What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to download VODs from Twitch, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on so you stay alerted whenever we post another video. So guys, how to download someone else's Twitch VODs. So can you download someone else's Twitch VOD? That depends. If you're looking for an official way to save someone else's Twitch VOD, the answer is absolute no. As you may know, when you're looking to download your own Twitch VODs, you can take Twitch store your broadcast automatically by sending store saved broadcasts in settings. Afterwards, you can go to the video producer page and click more, then go to download next to the video you like to save to your device. However, there is no such access for you to download Twitch VODs from the other channel. So basically you can download Twitch VODs which are your own, but you cannot download someone else's VODs. So then can you download someone else's VOD? If you're willing to apply to a third-party Twitch VOD downloader, then it will become quite easy to you to save someone else's Twitch VOD. Third-party Twitch video downloaders allow you to save a Twitch VOD or clip regardless of its channel. Thus, when you want to download someone else's Twitch VOD, it's necessary to let such a tool help. Here are two kinds of tools, as you can see over here, and how to download it. Basically with these options are over here. So basically can you download you can only download the Twitch VOD that is your own through Twitch, but you need third-party Twitch downloaders to download someone else's VODs. So to repeat it, how to download your own VODs, you can make Twitch store your broadcasts automatically by enabling store saved broadcasts in settings. Afterwards, you can go to the video producer page and click more, then go to download next to the video you like to save to your device. So guys, basically that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.